let's talk about Google Ads headlines, all right? So Google Ads allow for the input in their RSAs of up to 15 headlines. And by having multiple headlines, it allows Google to try different iterations of these headlines to see which ones work best. Each headline, though, can be no more than 30 characters. So again, if you try to sit down and do this on your own, right, you have to go with 15 different ideas and you have to fit them into less than 30 characters. So you have to have some kind of a tool that will count the number of characters so you don't go over and spaces count and periods count and all that kind of fun stuff. Each of those count as characters. The headlines need to be catchy, compelling, helping engage the viewer to take some action, right? Like to click your link over a competitor's link. And getting them right can definitely take some time and effort. Or you can use AI to help you. So let's talk about that. And here's a sample prompt that you can use for just about any business. Just kind of fill in the blank, right? So I wrote, write me 20 catchy and compelling Google Ad headlines in under 30 characters, because that's my limitation, for a business selling, and then describe what you sell and be descriptive. And I also told it, do not use colons or exclamation points. Well, why? Well, Google does not like exclamation points to be used in the headlines. And I don't like the use of colons in the headlines, but ChatGPT tends to do a lot. But it'll say like 2 sentences, colon, and something else. Another 2 sentences, colon, something else. I don't love it. I'd rather say, give me use those 30 characters to give me the best potential phrasing that could work, okay? Now, you could certainly try without those things. I would certainly use the exclamation points in there because you don't want those. You just, it'll just separate or substitute a period usually. But you can try without those parameters just to see if you like what comes back. Like you can forget the colon, right? You could just say, don't use exclamation points, and let's see what the colons come back. So you could try both of those things. Here's an example of a prompt I wrote for my company, right? For the new branding that we're trying to put out there for the SEO Training All-Stars. So I wrote, write me 20 catchy and compelling Google Ad headlines in under 30 characters for a business selling a monthly membership that allows people to learn SEO online and on demand. Don't use colons or exclamation points. And voila! 20 ad headlines. Master SEO online monthly. Boost your SEO game now. Elevate SEO skills on demand. SEO success starts here. Now, I got 15 of these. In fact, you can tell Google, or excuse me, ChatGPT to regenerate. Give me a second option. Give me more. Show me another 20. Maybe you can change that prompt a little bit to get more detailed or more focused, or have it to focus on a specific area of your business. All right. But this is great. And now I've got 20 options like that. I mean, less than a minute that are within my, my parameters of 30 characters or less, that includes some form of, compelling thing like boost and master and elevate and learn and become a pro and your mastery journey and within reach. These are a lot better than, maybe I could come up with some of these, but it would probably take me a hell of a long time to write some of these things out. What I can do now is I can pick and choose the ones that I really like, that really kind of resonate with me. I just got to paste them into the parts in the Google Ads where the headlines are. So that was ChatGPT. Gemini gave me a few others, right? SEO mastery, learn anytime. See the colon? There's another one. Unlock SEO secrets, be a pro, boost website traffic, start now, master SEO on your schedule, monthly SEO membership, grow online. And again, there's 20 of these things here. So if I use both of them, I get some really solid ideas, right? I can combine these things if I like. I can change things. Notice with this one, with Gemini, they actually give you the character count for each one. But I will tell you this, in the study while I was doing this, even though it said, hey, 28 characters, sometimes it was like 31 or 32. So it wasn't always 100% accurate. So when you copy and paste these into your Google headlines, your Google Ads, it might be longer than what's there. So you may have to tweak it a little bit that way. Now, what's also nice is if you're trying to copy paste, you're trying to maybe let's say copy this, export the list, you can ask Gemini to remove the character count from the previous list and get rid of all the X's. That's just all you have to say. Once you're ready, it comes out, and you just say, hey, remove the X's. Hey, let me show you. I think I should have one of these up already. Here. Here we go. So I said, here's, this is something for descriptions. Gives me the count. And I just said, remove the character counts from the previous list. So I'm just kind of telling it more to do. And the next thing, boom, they're all gone. Okay. So all you've got to do is really kind of talk to this like it was your assistant and ask it to do things Sometimes you may have to say from the previous list because you don't want it to regenerate a whole new list. ChatGPT tends to do more of that. It'll kind of create a new list. So you just have to say, hey, remove those from the previous list. That's all I got to do to get rid of them. And then with Google Ad Headlines, again, you could just say, here's another one. Write me 20 catchy and compelling Google Ad Headlines under 30 characters for a business selling AC repair services. Don't include colons or exclamation points in the headings. ChatGPT comes back and says AC fixes done fast, reliable AC, beat the heat now, efficient AC fix. And again, if it's 26, 27, you can change that around if a little bit if you want. Repair AC today at number 11. AC repair magic, fix it AC relief, summer AC rescue, cooling pro services, and so on. So ChatGPT gives me some decent ones that I like. Some of them I was like, not so great. But if I go to Gemini, again, AC not cool, we fix it. Broken AC, same day repair. Beat the heat, AC repair now. No more sweating, AC service. So again, I tended to like what I got back from Gemini more than ChatGPT. And that might be because, Google Gemini maybe is tied into Google a bit more and has a bit better access with that. But look at number 13, reliable AC repair. Trust us. Number 14, AC won't start. We can help, right? Feeling the heat, we're here. Fast AC repair, don't wait. I love these. I think these are way better than the ones from ChatGPT. And all you have to do is copy and paste. So with the prompts that I've got there for you, or using your own, my goodness,